If you are looking for the best kayak accessories, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we have included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the 7th position of our list, we have Scooty number 279 BK Rod Holder. If you want to upgrade your yacht for fishing trip, then attaching a rod holder can be a good idea. This one from Scooty comes without a mount, so you are free to choose the mount that best suits your vessel. It features a strong, cushioned holder that will secure your bait caster reel and a front slot that allows your spinning reel to be held in place. It's fully adjustable, so you can move it up or down to suit your needs. There is a secure strap that clips over the top of your rod, helping to secure it so you can fish while eating a snake or tending to your other rods. It also has a fiber reinforcement in its durable nylon construction, giving it extra strength and resilience. Next, at number 6, we have Garmin Fenix 3 GPS watch. When you are out kayaking, having a GPS navigation device can be useful and sometimes essential if you are out on a multi-day trip in unknown territory. With this Fenix watch from Garmin, you not only get GPS capabilities, but you also get a watch so you can keep an eye on the time when you are on the water. This high-tech water is waterproof up to 100 meters, so it's resistant to splashes and you can even swim while wearing it. It's easy to use and you can see the compass and barometer on the main display. Another handy feature of the watch is that you can sync it to your phone with the Connect IQ app so that it can alert you to notifications while you are paddling. It also has the ability to store up to 10,000 tracks and 1,000 waypoints with the ability to navigate back to them with TrackBack technology. The number 5 position is held by Best Kayak Anchor. This anchor is built for kayaking and small boats, and it could certainly be a useful addition to your cargo, especially if you like to fish. The 3.5-pound anchor is crafted from solid galvanized iron, so it's naturally resistant to rust and corrosion, making it a good choice for both fresh and saltwater use. The anchor line is a strong 40-foot long marine-grade rope, and there is a convenient buoy ball attached. This sturdy ankle will keep your kayak in a place on the water, even in light winds or currents, which is handy if you are fishing in a good spot or fancy a quick dip in the water and don't want your yacht floating away with you. It even folds up for easy storage and comes in a handy little pouch. When folded, it measures just 12 inches by 3 inches, so it's not going to take up too much room on your deck. The number 4 position is dominated by Suspense Easy Kayak Rack. This easy boat rack is designed for usability and it's easy to use. Just like its name suggests, you can mount the rack to either an interior or exterior wall, letting you save space in your garage or home, and allows you to store your yaks off the floor to avoid damage. The frame of the rack extends just 21 inches from the wall and can hold a vessel weighing up to 100 pounds. The rack is crafted from powder-coated steel, giving it extra durability to withstand outdoor conditions. It features foam padding wrapped in 600 denier nylon to protect the hull of your kayak, and for extra protection, there are built-in safety straps that tighten to secure your craft. Moving on to the next at number 3 with Stohliquist Edge Life Jacket. A kayak life vest is a must-have accessory when you're out in the water. A well-fitting PFC can literally be a lifesaver, and this one from Stohliquist is engineered to keep you both safe and comfortable while you are out enjoying yourself. The Edge Life vest is designed with mobility in mind and to suit a range of paddling styles. It's made from durable, lightweight fabric with reflective detailing to give better visibility. This ergonomically designed PFD benefits from having adjustable shoulder straps, 4 side pull straps, and a convenient waist buckle closure at the front for a snug fit. Crafted with a soft foam for added buoyancy, this PFD can be worn for wide water, calm lake, or sea kayaking. It comes in 3 chest sizes for adults, ranging from 33 inches up to 54 inches, and features graded sizing, which means you still have the required level of buoyancy and foam thickness for your body size or frame. Another handy feature on this low-profile PFD is that it has a zippered front pocket, so you can stuff in your small essential items like a kayak knife, or for example, so that they are easily accessible while you are paddling. The number 2 position is held by SOCO 22-watt solar charger. If you're planning on heading out of the day, or especially for a few days, this solar charger can be a great accessory to have with you, so that you can still keep all your gadgets operating while you're off the grid. This one from SOCO is portable, lightweight, and best of all, it's waterproof. It has a compact design that measures just 12.2 inches by 6.3 inches and is only around an inch thick when folded. When the panels are open for charging, it's only 22 inches in length, so it can be good if you're short on space. The charger weighs just 17.5 ounces, meaning it can be an ideal accessory if you're looking to travel light. This durable little 22-watt charger delivers 5 volts of power through dual USB ports, so you can charge 2 devices at the same time, such as your phone, camera, GPS or fish finder. Just face the solar panel towards the sun while you are out and about. You keep your gadgets running during adventures. This solar charger features waterproof PVC coated canvas fabric, so you don't have to worry about it getting splashed while you are paddling, and it should also survive if it falls in the water. Finally, the number 1 position is dominated by Sea-Tug Kayak Cart. Transporting your kayak to and from the water can often be a challenge if you don't have the right equipment. This Sea-Tug Cart is designed to make your life a little easier. It can be assembled quickly and easily without the help of any tools and can be quickly dismantled when you get to the water. The added benefit of this cart is when it's dismantled, it can fit into a hatch on your kayak or on your storage area, so you can paddle knowing your cart will be with you when you head back to land. It is crafted with corrosion-resistant materials, giving it extra durability in saltwater conditions, and it also benefits from being resistant to UV light, which will help protect its integrity. The rubberized pads can be adjusted to suit the size of your kayak, and it has a strong load capacity of up to 300 pounds. Not only that, the tough rubber wheels are puncture-resistant and suitable for all terrains, including soft sand. That's all for today. We upload product review videos in every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.